Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a layout grid or a container for your website design in Figma so you can align images and text to be in the same order. So for example, here I have this image and it's aligned with every other object in this website design. On this landing page you can see every section is aligned in the same line. And to achieve that, you need to create a layout grid, or you can call it a container. So to do that, you need to click on a wireframe you're using. I use desktop, and then you go to layout grid. So actually I here already have my layout grid, and I will show you how to create it. So you need to click on a plus button, you go to grid, you click here, and you choose columns, not rows, not grid, columns. And then you choose a count of I think it's 12 columns, and then margin needs to be 100. That's like a standard design of columns. Actually, I think it's wrong. I did something wrong. I think I put 14 for this design, or I'm not completely sure. Okay, it's 80, I think. Okay, yes, it's 80. So I used a margin of 80 for this website design. So I actually need to align this, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you do it. Then you can change it to whichever way you want. So I put, I think it's 12 and 80 margin and 20 gutter. And that's how you create a container for your design.